Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today I'm creating this look, which is pretty much to me a very simple, quick look. I just used the Naked 3 palette. I just put it around somewhere. So I just used the Naked 3 palette. I just got gifted this for my birthday and your girl wanted to use it. Anytime I get a new palette, I always want to use it. So this is actually my first Naked palette. This is my first Naked palette. Yeah, I don't own any of the Naked palettes, so this is my first one. Very grateful. I only used, I think, 4 colors from this palette to create this look today. This palette is extremely nude. It's extremely florally. It's kind of like springtime look, so it's the best time to wear it. It was very sunny earlier and it went with this look. Now it's gone groggy and ugly outside, but this is the look that I've come up with. I just paired it up with some really simple wispy lashes and a nude lip, as always a glossy one because your girl likes the glossy lips. So yeah, this is the look. If you guys want to see how I did this, please continue watching.
Taking the Naked 3 palette, and I'm going to use Limit, which is a very soft nude rose, a very soft nude rose mauve, and I put that all over the eye. This is my starting color, basically my transition color, kind of. Then I'm going to take the color Nuna, which is like a deeper, let's say a tan beige. It's a very nice nude color, and I use that to shade the outer corners of my eyes. Then I take the shimmery shade called Dark Heart, which is kind of like a shimmery deep purple with gold flecks, and I use that to deepen my lash line and the outer corner of my eyes again. So I'm kind of angling it outwards, making the outer corner more deeper. Then I put this on my lower lash line as well to bring it all together and to smoke out my lower lash line real nice. Then I take the shimmer shade Dust, which is actually more shimmery than it has a base tone. It's very fallouty, so I would usually I'd recommend putting on a base color before putting that shade on anyway. Then I take the I Heart Revolution Goddess of Faith highlighter, and I put that on my inner corner and underneath the arch of my eyebrow. I love it, it's so glowy. Then I use the Superdrug Lash Natural Edition 13s. Then I take the Maybelline Tattoo pencil in brown, and I basically just line my waterline with that. Then I take more of that Goddess of Faith highlighter and I highlight my cheekbones, down the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow and my chin. I'm trying to look glowy. Then I take more highlighter, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Snowflake loose highlighter, and I put that right on top. That makes you glow like crazy. Then I take the Morphe Cool Pro palette, and I think this is called Sexy. It's either hot or sexy, and I just put that on my cheeks to add myself a little bit of a flush of blush in there. Then I take the MUA Intense Color Lip Liner in TLC, and I just line my lips with that, no filling, just lining. Then I take the Gloss Me Up Lip Gloss by Barry M in Vibe, which is a really soft brown nude, and I fill that in. So this is the final look. It's a very simple slay. I love a good simple glam with my hair slicked back with some big hoops and just some nice glowy skin. So yeah, this is the look. If you guys did enjoy, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
To another place where I'll be face to face, just you and me. We don't lose, just like you. I can hold you too. I just can't satisfy through the weekend. You're wasting your time, baby.